Grandpa, when do we use the past perfect?
Oh, my boy. We use the past perfect in 5 situations.
1. We use the past perfect to show that one action happened before another action in the past. The past perfect is used for the earlier action. The past simple is used for the later action. Examples:
I had finished my homework before my mom came home.
She had already left when the train arrived.
2. To describe the cause of something in the past. We use past perfect to explain why something happened or how a situation came to be. Examples: He was tired because he had not slept well. They were angry because someone had eaten all the food. 3. We use the past perfect in reported speech when the original statement was in the past. We use past perfect to show that the action was already completed at the time of reporting. Examples: She said that she had visited Paris before. He told me he had lost his keys. Number 4. We use the past perfect to dire in third conditional sentences. We use past perfect in the if clause to talk about things that did not happen. Examples: If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. If we had left earlier, we wouldn't have missed the bus. Number 5. We use the past perfect with time expressions like already, just, never, when, before, after, by the time. These expressions help clarify the time relationship between 2 past events. Example:
She had already eaten when I arrived.
By the time the show started, we had found our seats.